have a tour in a Massey Ferguson 135. I'll take you a walk around it and then we'll go inside. So here's the inside of the cab, just a light roof in it. Front glass windows. Says it has, that's how you go backwards and forwards in it. Get all your pedals down, the gear stick, and all your different wee badges showing all the wee gauges. So that's your throttle there, only a hand throttle on these ones. This is 2-wheel drive. That's how you put the back arms up and down. Handbrake and various different bits and bobs on the floor. I think that's for, not quite sure for that, if that's your gear stick there, maybe high, low and medium. So yeah, thanks for watching and please like and subscribe.